Pink cars modification have become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's easy to see why. A pink car stands out from the crowd and shows off your personal style. Whether you are looking for a car to stand out from the pack or just want to express your personality, a pink car might be the perfect choice. Pink car modification have been an eye-catching automotive trend for years, and the hue is a favorite for those who want to make a statement with their vehicles. Whether you are looking for a fun, flashy way to stand out from the crowd or you are hoping to make a bold feminist statement, pink cars are a great option. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decoration. Car we drive says a lot about us whether we like it or not. One way you can make your car fit closer to your true personality is to outfitting it with the right accessories. If you are here, we are going to assume you are a fan of the color pink, and that's why we have put together this guide on some of the best pink car accessories some money can buy. We hope you have found some items you like, and at the very least, maybe you have got the right inspiration to find what you have been looking for all along. When it comes to customizing your car, there are plenty of ways to make it your own. You can choose from a range of accessories, from custom paint jobs to decals and even custom wheels. You can also add a touch of glamour by adding a luxurious interior such that pink floor embroidery design car seats cover, cute and pink car steering wheels cover for girls and women, pink leather car keys fob holder case, pink palm tree California carpet floor mats, pink winter warm fox wool handbrake cover, gear shift cover, steering wheel cover, pink hanging fuzzy dice with the white dots, merino sheepskin, sheepskin wool centers console pad cushion cover. Pink cars come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from the classic and sporty looks of a car to the sleek and stylish design of a luxurious sedan. These are also a variety of color options available, from the bright and cheerful shades of Barbie pink to the subtler and sophisticated pale pink. The possibilities are endless. When it comes to performance, pink cars don't have to take a backseat. Many high performance cars come in pink, including high powered sports car and race cars. Pink cars have been seen on the racetracks and even in popular television shows like Fast and Furious and Top Gear. No matter which shade of pink you choose, you can be sure that it will turn head. Pink cars are often seen as a symbol of women empowerment, and they are a great way to make a statement about your style and confidence. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoy your time. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.